Now I'll show you a couple other things that you can do here in the Gospel Library app. Come Follow Me is the resource put out by the church every year to guide our gospel study. There's a different lesson for every week of the year. This week, you can see the chapters are in Isaiah. I really encourage you to read through this, and each week there's a new lesson. So for next week, for example, we'll continue with Isaiah. If you want to just get right in and start reading, you can tap on the blue text there, which will take you to Isaiah in the Old Testament. You can hit your phone's back arrow or the back arrow at the top left of your screen, which will take you back to the Come Follow Me lesson. There's lots of great stuff, ideas for studying the scriptures by yourself or with your family. If you want to see a list of all of the lessons, tap on the text at the top of the screen where it has September 19th through 25th here. You can view all the lessons from September. You can view all of the lessons organized by month for the year of 2022. Or you can view past years. For example, in 2020 we studied the Book of Mormon, and next year we'll study the New Testament. Or if you go to where it says Come Follow Me, you'll see that it is organized into different organizations. So for example, if I'm teaching a Sunday school lesson, I should first study the individuals and families lesson for this week here. But then once I have studied this, I can go back to Come Follow Me, and I can go to the Sunday school lessons. And this Sunday school session in Come Follow Me builds upon the study and discussion ideas in the Come Follow Me for individuals and families.